هذه حالة التزامات مسبقة دون حضوري الشخصي اليوم.
Yemen needs a truce. I am engaging with the parties with a sense of urgency to reach this truce by the beginning of Ramadan. The truce will ease the fuel crisis and facilitate the freedom of movement.
أن نجاح المشاورات اليمنية ليست خياراً بل واجب يتطلب استشعار الجميع للمسؤولية الوطنية.
The United States strongly supports the United Nations leadership in developing a more inclusive, more comprehensive peace process, particularly through the launch of consultations in Amman earlier this month. In this regard, we welcome the restraint shown by the parties in the past few days, particularly the coalition announcement regarding the cessation of military operations inside of Yemen during Ramadan.